Quick alert coming in of a stage collapse at a rally or event where Chandrababu Naidu was present. TDP chief was on the stage. Let's just go across to Deepthi for the details. We are seeing the visuals. Deepthi, yes, go ahead, please.
That's right. Chandrababu Naidu is on a continuous Padayatra since January, and today he was as part of his tour. He was in the Guntur district where this incident happened. While Chandrababu Naidu tried to get on the stage to address the gathering there in this district, the stage collapsed. And what we understand as of now is that he had received slight injuries on his leg, on his ankle, and he has been asked to rest for the day. And also medical tests are being conducted on him to see that not much damage has been done to his leg. Back to you.
Can you just tell our viewers what exactly happened at around what time? He was just on the stage. He was getting off the temporary stage, was it?
This happened around 4 in the evening when Chandrababu Naidu reached the district, and as part of his routine, wherever the districts where he has been visiting, he has been addressing the gathering and making speeches, addressing the audience. And during this one such as part of that, he was trying to get onto the stage, and just before he was about to start his speech, this incident happened when the stage collapsed. And like you can see in the visuals, the security tried to get him off safely. However, he had received slight injuries on his ankle.
Well, so some leg injuries there. The security guards a little alert, so they have prevented a major fall for the TDP chief. But what's the word? Will he continue with this Padayatra, or is that are they waiting on a decision?
The Padayatra for the day has been suspended because of this incident. He is receiving medical attention in his convoy, and after a clear picture comes out, then he would be continuing with his Padayatra in a day or two.